Overall, they are compliant. I am impressed with Haywood Street. I am not impressed with Beckford Street. We have had an agreement, we have had countless of consultation on this matter, and we have agreed to certain standards. And some vendors are not holding up to those standards. And what we are saying to them that we are going to hold up those standards. I don't really, it doesn't matter who you are, is that we have agreed, and we are saying to you, just stick by the agreement. That's all we are saying. I am contemplating to call the Beckford Street versus back to a meeting to have a discussion. But I'm watching for the next 2 days to see if they'll comply. The police have indicated to them what needs to be corrected, so I'm watching to see. If by Wednesday I'm not seeing that, then clearly that there will be a need to go back to the drawing board and have a discussion. I would hate for them to push us where we have to just clear the road. I don't want that. What I want is us to work together.
So, a new one-way system was introduced to improve the traffic flow in the town centre. And we think, based on what we have seen so far, that is not going too badly. We have 1 and 2 minor issues that we need to address, and I'm assured by the mayor that those will be addressed today. We have some work though to do with some of the vendors who are operating contrary to some of the agreements we have. So even now as we speak, members of my team are moving around to kind of address those situations so that the free flow of traffic that we have been enjoying can continue for the holiday season.
So is it working?
It is working. We love what we are seeing, and as I said, if we just fix 1 and 2 of the glitches that we have observed, we will be very good.
All right.